Hi, 7th graders. We're on section Looking Ahead, number 3. Our learning target is subtracting polynomials. Subtracting polynomials is kind of the same as adding polynomials, but there's a couple extra steps. So if we look at our first polynomial, or set of polynomials, we have 5x plus 4 minus 3x plus 2. So first we are going to find our like terms. So we have 5x and we have 3x, and then we have 4 and 2. So we keep our sign for our first polynomial. So we have 5x. We're going to combine our terms, so we have minus 3x. This minus sign needs to be distributed out to both terms or all terms in the parentheses. Okay, kind of like the distributive property. So 5x minus 3x. We keep this addition sign because it's a positive 4. So plus 4 minus 2. Remember this subtraction sign, so we're actually subtracting 2. So 5x minus 3x is 2x plus 4 minus 2 is 2. Because if we take 5x minus 3x and pull it out, we have 2x. If we take 4 minus 2 and pull it out, we get 2. Okay, this one's a little bit more tricky. So the first thing that I'm going to do is change my subtraction signs to addition, except this one. I'm going to leave this for now. X squared plus negative 4x plus negative 6 minus negative x. Remember, negative x is the same as negative 1x plus negative 3. So we only have 1x squared. So I'm going to pull that out right now. Okay, and then we have negative 4x and negative 1x. So negative 4x minus negative 1x. So plus negative 4x minus negative 1x. And then we have negative 6, so plus negative 6 minus negative 3. Okay, so we can look at our negative 4x minus negative 1, and we can do chop, chop. And then we can look at negative 6 minus negative 3, and we can do chop, chop. Now we can simplify and rewrite it. Remember, we always want to write it with our exponents in order from greatest to least. So x squared plus, and then we have negative 4x plus 1x, so plus negative 3x, and then plus negative 6 plus 3 is negative 3. So then we can rewrite it as x squared minus 3x minus 3. Oops, and there's our simplified answer. Pause me and do A and B on your own. So the first thing I'm going to do is change my subtraction to an adding a negative. Inside my parentheses, I'm going to leave my subtraction as it is. So we have 7x, and we have 2x, and then we have negative 5, which I'm just going to underline, and negative 1. So 7x minus 2x plus negative 5 minus negative 1. Okay, because I'm distributing the subtraction sign out to both. 7x minus 2x is 5x. I'm keeping my addition sign here, so plus negative 5 minus negative 1 is chop, chop. So negative 4, which is the same as 5x minus 4. Okay, we have 2x squared plus 6x minus 4 minus x squared plus 2x minus 4 plus negative plus negative. All right, so 2x squared and x squared. So 2x squared minus x squared plus 6x minus, okay, remember that we're minusing, so plus 6x minus 2x plus negative 4 minus negative 4 minus negative 4. Okay, super important. These signs stay the same. So typically they will all be addition when you're adding a new set of like terms, because you should have changed it to adding a negative if it was subtracting. And then you're subtracting every single term from the second polynomial. So 2x squared minus x squared is just x squared, plus 6x minus 2x is 4x. Negative 4 minus negative 4 is chop chop, so negative 4 plus 4 is 0. So then we would just leave it as negative x squared plus 4x. Let's do one more together and then we'll go down to our word problem. 2x squared plus 3x plus 2 minus x squared minus 2x plus negative 2x squared and x squared. So 2x squared minus x squared is going to be x squared. 3x and negative 2x. So 3x minus negative 2x. So 3 minus negative 2. We go chop chop. So 3 plus 2. So plus 5x. And then 2 minus nothing. What happened? So then we have, plus 2. So x squared plus 5x plus 2. All right, after x seconds, cyclist A travels 16x plus 2 feet and cyclist B travels 19x minus 1 feet. After 120 seconds, how many more feet does cyclist B travel? So we want to take cyclist B and subtract it and subtract cyclist A. So we're really just going to go B minus A. So we have 19x minus 1 minus 16x plus 2. Whoops, bad parentheses. All right, so 19x plus negative and 16x. So 19x minus 16x plus negative 1 minus 2, because this subtraction member has to go with both. So we have 13x, negative 1 minus 2 would be negative 3. Okay, and not 13x, 3x, duh. So we have 3x plus negative 3, or the same as 3x minus 3. Now it says, after 120 seconds, how many more feet does cyclist B travel? And it says that our x stands for seconds. So we are going to put that into our equation. So 3 times 120 minus 3 equals 360 minus 3, so we get 357 feet. So cyclist B would travel 357 feet further. All right, make sure you go on to NICU and take the LA number 3 NICU quiz. Have a super evening.